Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to display information on friend season rankings on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on this button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on settings at the top, scroll down to the privacy and social section in this right side column, then scroll down again and in the second column you can find the display info on friend season rankings, a feature that you can turn on by tapping on the disable or the enable button. If you want to turn it off, click on the disable button. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.